Are you lazy? Make online money from your phone. Welcome to our exciting video. Today, we're diving into a world of cutting-edge AI apps that can revolutionize the way you make money online. Get ready to witness the power of artificial intelligence as we unveil 5 incredible apps that could be accessed right from your phone anywhere in the world. These extraordinary apps come with a breathtaking advantage. They are absolutely free for all with no restrictions whatsoever. Yes, you heard it right, folks. Regardless of your background, expertise, or location, these apps are at your disposal, waiting to empower you on your path to success. But wait, there's more. As you eagerly anticipate our unveiling, prepare to be dazzled by the staggering success stories that these apps have created. Imagine creators and entrepreneurs like yourself who have turned their dreams into reality, amassing hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process. So viewers, fasten your seatbelts, open your minds to the limitless possibilities, as this is your ticket to a world where innovation meets prosperity and where dreams have the power to become extraordinary realities. 1. Wonder AI. Let's dive headfirst into the #1 AI app that can transform your digital journey into a money-making extravaganza. Behold Wonder AI, the gateway to turning your ordinary photos and text into awe-inspiring works of art. Just imagine, with a few taps of your phone, you can unleash the artistic prowess of AI, transcending the boundaries of imagination. Wonder AI takes your prompts and magically breathes life into them. Want to see George Washington chowing down on a juicy hamburger? Simply type it in and behold, an entirely unique and mesmerizing image generated by the unfathomable powers of AI. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your creativity. But here's where the magic truly happens. Wonder AI provides you with a golden opportunity to monetize your artistic creations effortlessly. How, you ask? Enter Redbubble, the virtual haven where dreams become reality. By uploading your Wonder AI designs as stickers or even venturing into the world of t-shirts, mugs, and pillows, you can set the stage for a thriving online business. The beauty of this venture lies in the fact that you need not own any physical products yourself. Simply pour your imagination into crafting these designs, and when someone purchases products adorned with your artful creations, you earn money, no strings attached. It's a game-changing opportunity to turn your artistic flair into a lucrative income stream. So, budding artists and entrepreneurs, seize the moment and harness the power of Wonder AI. Unleash your imagination, create stunning designs, and set sail on a journey to monetizing your creativity. 2. Click and Short. The next groundbreaking AI tool is Click and Short. Enter clickandshort.com, the ultimate game changer that will revolutionize the way you make money online, straight from your trusty smartphone. Imagine with Click and Short, you can effortlessly generate captivating and viral content in a matter of seconds. It's as simple as finding a long-form video, creating an account on this extraordinary platform, and pasting the video's link. Within moments, Click and Short's ingenious AI technology will churn out a plethora of unique YouTube reports, ready to be unleashed upon the digital landscape. But hold on tight, because here's where the money-making magic truly happens. Click and Short empowers you to promote CPA, cost per action offers, opening the doors to unimaginable earning potential. Imagine visiting the MOB app, your gateway to a treasure trove of enticing CPA offers. These offers entice users to enter their email addresses for a chance to win exciting prizes, such as a generous $750 Cash App giveaway. And guess what? Each email address you collect translates into cold hard cash, $5 to be exact. It's a golden opportunity to turn your digital prowess into a lucrative income stream. With Click and Short as your AI ally, the path to financial success has never been clearer. 3. Pixelcut AI Photo Editor. The next revolutionary AI app that promises to unlock a world of online money-making opportunities. Pixelcut AI Photo Editor. With this extraordinary AI editor at your fingertips, the realm of photo editing and background removal is about to be forever transformed. Pixelcut AI Photo Editor possesses the power to seamlessly remove backgrounds from a wide array of products and images. Say goodbye to the hassle of painstakingly editing out unwanted elements. With just a few taps, Pixelcut AI Photo Editor effortlessly handles the task for you. And that's not all. It even allows you to add captivating backgrounds to your photos, instantly transforming them into eye-catching masterpieces. The magic doesn't stop there. Pixelcut AI Photo Editor provides you with an extensive collection of professionally designed templates, catering to a myriad of products. With just a single press of a button, you can infuse your photos with a touch of professional elegance, leaving your audience mesmerized. And here's where the money-making potential truly comes into play. Imagine offering your impeccable photo editing services on platforms like Fiverr and other freelancing hubs. Clients are eager to pay top dollar for these invaluable skills, and you can easily charge for your expertise in the realm of photo editing and background removal. Just take a look at the success stories of individuals like yourself who have amassed over 1,000 sales, raking in tens of thousands of dollars by offering this specific service on Fiverr. Now, the most astonishing part. All of this can be achieved right from your phone, thanks to the Pixelcut AI Photo app. The power to transform ordinary images into stunning works of art and create a thriving online business is literally at your fingertips. 4. VoiceOver AI. Most demanding app where your words come to life with human-like voiceovers. This remarkable journey begins by discovering a multitude of voice-acting apps that can transform your text into captivating audio masterpieces. Enter VoiceOver AI, the text-to-speech AI app that will leave you astounded. With just a simple paste of your script into a convenient text box on your phone, this AI marvel generates unique voiceovers that sound indistinguishable from those of actual humans. It's a game-changer that unlocks the doors to a lucrative world of voice acting services. Now prepare to immerse yourself in a plethora of platforms eagerly seeking your talents. Voices.com, Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, PeoplePerHour.com. The list goes on. These bustling hubs are teeming with individuals willing to pay top dollar for exceptional voice acting services. The beauty of it all? It can be effortlessly managed from your smartphone, thanks to a variety of voice acting apps at your disposal. A simple search for text to voiceover will unveil a world of possibilities, allowing you to select the apps that best suit your style and goals. So dare to dream big and tap into the remarkable potential of voice acting. Let your voice become a source of income, enchanting clients from every corner of the globe. Say goodbye to mundane routines and embrace the thrilling opportunities to make money online in the most delightful and lazy way possible. The world is waiting for your voice. Seize the moment and let your talents shine. 5. Phone Sites. The next remarkable AI app we brought for you is Phone Sites. Get ready to witness the power of creating stunning landing pages, websites, apps, and software, all from the palm of your hand. The best part? No previous experience or technical skills are required. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to be a coding wizard or tech guru to unleash your creativity and build digital wonders. Phone Sites has been specifically designed for ambitious individuals like you who want to harness the power of website and app creation directly from their phones. Imagine in your spare time crafting captivating websites or innovative apps with ease, using a vast array of meticulously curated templates tailored for mobile users. But here's where the excitement truly ignites. With your creations in hand, a world of endless opportunities unfolds. You can sell your websites or apps as valuable services, offering your expertise to eager clients on platforms like Fiverr and other freelancing hubs. Alternatively, you can even explore online marketplaces such as Flippa.com or EmpireFlippers.com, where your digital masterpieces can be listed for sale, attracting potential buyers from around the globe. So seize the moment, tap into your inner digital architect, and let Phone Sites be your guide as you build remarkable websites and apps that captivate the world. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to leveraging AI technology to unlock new income streams. So go ahead and dive into the world of AI apps we've discussed today. Start creating, start monetizing, and start living life on your own terms. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of AI apps that can help you make money online. We've explored some truly mind-blowing tools that can transform your smartphone into a powerhouse of digital entrepreneurship. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button below to show your support. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest content.